Mem AI 2.0, released in 2025 as a complete rebuild of the original app, has significantly improved its performance and reliability for note-taking and knowledge management. The developers have fixed many of the long-standing frustrations from Mem 1.0, including laggy editing, broken undo functions, and sluggish behavior in large notes, making the editor far smoother and more dependable. Its AI features have also been upgraded, with the new Copilot delivering smarter, time-aware search queries, more relevant related note suggestions, and better overall precision when retrieving information. Another highlight is full offline support across desktop, web, and iOS, which means users can work on their notes without an internet connection and sync them later. Collaboration has improved too, with shared collections and stronger mobile app functionality that now closely mirrors the desktop experience. However, Mem 2.0 is still labeled as an early alpha release, so some features are incomplete. Not all data migrates seamlessly from Mem 1.0, and users still report occasional bugs and syncing issues. Pricing also remains uncertain as the platform transitions from free alpha to its eventual paid model. Overall, Mem AI 2.0 is a big step forward and an exciting choice for those who want AI-powered note-taking with offline capability, but it may still feel a little early stage for users who require maximum stability and mature workflows.